Welcome to the YouTube channel Pcmb Tutorials. Today we are going to learn class 9th chemistry chapter is mole concept, and this is our part 2. In previous part we have learned introduction and then atoms and molecules. Today we are going to start with the topic that is types of molecules. Types of molecules. The molecules like hydrogen, chlorine, fluorine, H2, Cl2, F2 respectively are formed by the combination of atoms of the same element, and the molecules like H2O, N2O, NO2. These all are formed by the combination of atoms of different elements. Thus molecules can be categorized as homogeneous molecules, and the second one will be heterogeneous molecules. We all are familiar with these names. Homogeneous molecules that are formed by the combination of atoms of the same element are called homogeneous molecules, whereas molecules that are formed by the combination of atoms of different elements are called heterogeneous molecules. Example of homogeneous molecules are H2, Cl2, F2, O3, S6, S8. I'll write them. H2, Cl2, O2, and etc. And heterogeneous has examples like H2O, NO2, and etc. Now, if you observe these examples of homogeneous molecules, it is clear that they differ in the number of atoms. Likewise, I said O3 was also there, it was F2, S6, S8. So, the number of atoms of the homogeneous molecules, if the number of atoms of the homogeneous molecules is 1, it will be termed as monoatomic. Example like helium, He, Ne, or Ar. If it is 2, it will be termed as diatomic. If it is 3, it will be termed as triatomic. If it is 4, it will be termed as tetraatomic. If it is more than 4, it will be termed as polyatomic. Whereas when we'll see about their examples of diatomic is Cl2, F2, N2. Example of triatomic is O3. Example of tetraatomic is P4, and example of polyatomic are like S6, S8, C60, and etc. There are many. These are the classifications of homogeneous only. Because heterogeneous molecules are group of molecules, so we cannot take their molecules based on the number we can only do of homogeneous because they are made up of the same element. So next topic is atomicity. Atomicity. We are familiar with this word too. The number of atoms present in a homogeneous molecule is known as atomicity. The element with the highest atomicity is carbon. Therefore, the gases whose smallest particle act both as atom and molecule are inert gases. Next is atomic weight. Atomic weight. It is like relative atomic mass. Atomic weight, also called as relative atomic mass. The mass of a single atom is extremely small. For example, the mass of hydrogen atom is 0.000000000000000 so on till 17 gram. This is a very complicated way of representing the mass of hydrogen atom. Further, such absolute weights cannot be measured by any type of balance. The convenient way to measure the mass of an atom is by comparing its mass with standard mass, which is taken as a reference. For this, we have following like uh, sorry,